I'm going to teach you how to add a task to an existing project in Xero. We'll move step by step so you can confidently set up a task with the right details and rates. To begin, log into your Xero account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look for the Projects area in the main navigation. If you don't see it, your user role might not have access to Xero Projects, so you may need to ask an administrator to grant permission. Open Projects and choose the existing project you want to update. This keeps all your work organized, so billable time and costs roll up to the right client or job. Inside the project workspace, head to the Tasks and Expenses tab. This is the central place where you define what work will be done and how it will be billed, alongside any related costs. Next, click the Add dropdown button and select Task. You're creating a line that represents a specific piece of work your team will perform. Start by entering a clear task name. Keep it short but descriptive, something like Design Review or On-Site Installation, so it's instantly recognizable on timesheets and invoices. Then, add task details or a description. Use this space to clarify scope, deliverables, or any internal notes that help your team log time accurately. Consider including what's in or out of scope and any milestones tied to this task. Now set how the task will be billed. Enter either an hourly rate or a fixed amount. Choose hourly if you expect time to vary. Choose a fixed amount if the work is a set price regardless of hours. Make sure the rate aligns with your pricing policy and the correct currency. If you use standard rate cards, be consistent so your reporting and profitability stay reliable. Before you save, review everything. Double-check the task name for clarity, confirm the description is complete, and verify the rate or fixed fee is correct. A quick review now prevents billing errors later and avoids confusion for anyone logging time. When you're happy, click Save. Xero will add the task to your project immediately. Finally, check the task list inside the project to ensure it appears as expected. You should see your new task alongside any others, ready for team members to track time against or for you to include on future invoices. If something needs tweaking, like the name, description, or rate, you can open the task and make updates later. That's it. You've successfully added a task to an existing project in Xero, setting your team up for accurate time tracking and clean, professional billing.